Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
I'm Moses Small in the ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Center. Lots of things are going to change as we get towards the holiday weekend, but at least we can count on the sun with beautiful views like this. This is our 10 News Skycam pointing at Chula Vista, but just take a look at the temperature drop between yesterday and today. We're seeing the coastline generally 1 to 2 degrees cooler than we were. Many of our valley neighborhoods, looking at Kearney Mesa, 5-degree drop from where we were 24 hours ago. Certainly can't get used to these cooler temperatures, but right now San Diego sits at 66 degrees. We have lots of great sunlight, a nice little breeze coming off the water at 8 miles per hour, and so we're expecting those comfortable conditions to stick around for most of the evening. We can see that it's going to take a couple hours before the marine layer is going to bring some cloud coverage back, and then of course for the early morning we're expecting some periods where it could get a little bit denser, and for our valley neighborhoods going to be a similar story. Their clouds are going to take a bit longer to arrive, potentially until after midnight, and then tomorrow thankfully we can look forward to more sun, but we can notice those temperatures are starting to warm up. San Diego hits 69 degrees. Our valley neighborhoods reach up to 81 degrees. It's a pretty big temperature bump from what we're seeing today. Into the mountains, seeing a high of 79 with much less wind. Those peak wind gusts only up to about 25 miles per hour. And into the desert, very hot, reaching all the way up to 107 degrees. So what exactly is happening here is that we're seeing a trough of low pressure that is keeping us cool for today. So it's bringing colder air our way, but then that is going to quickly leave us behind in the next 24 hours. Then we see a ridge of high pressure that keeps us warm for a few days after that. And you can think of a ridge of high pressure almost like a big dome or a big bubble of warm air that's going to, of course, bring our temperatures right up. The effects are a little bit subtle along the coast. We'll still certainly feel it for the weekend. Again, a high of 69 for tomorrow, mostly sunny, reaching into the 70s by Friday. And then for Saturday, high of 73, Sunday, high of 74, 4th of July looking to be sunny and 73 degrees, just some beautiful conditions along the coast. But then things start to heat up a little bit more when you get away from the water. Our valley neighborhoods go from, again, reaching 81 for tomorrow to reaching 89 degrees for Sunday and Monday, 4th of July reaching a high of 86 with plenty of sun. Now into our mountain communities, we're going to see highs up to 90 and 91 degrees. That is Friday and Saturday. Going to be the warmest days of the week for the mountains. And then the 4th of July will hit 84 degrees. And then in the desert, things get a little bit tricky. That's when we're seeing 7 straight days of triple digits, and it really comes as no surprise that Sunday reaches up to 116 degrees that we're going to see a heat warning. That one is going to be Sunday morning all the way to Monday night. Some small pockets of our desert communities can reach up to 118 degrees. That is 6 to 12 degrees above average. So we need to watch out for the heat and enjoy the 4th of July weekend coming up.